Lemon water, it's a simple, refreshing drink touted for its numerous health benefits. But did you know that some common mistakes with this seemingly harmless drink could be secretly harming your health? First up, using too much lemon juice. While lemons are packed with vitamin C, too much acidity can irritate your stomach lining and cause discomfort. Always start with a small amount, like half a lemon, and adjust based on your tolerance. Many people drink lemon water first thing in the morning, thinking it's the best way to start the day. But if you have a sensitive stomach, this could lead to acid reflux or irritation. Consider drinking it after a light meal instead. Using bottled lemon juice might be convenient, but it often contains preservatives and lacks the fresh nutrients found in real lemons. Always opt for fresh lemons to get the full health benefits. The acid in lemon juice can erode tooth enamel if it lingers in your mouth. To protect your teeth, always rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking lemon water. Drinking lemon water ice cold might be refreshing, but it can slow down your digestion. It's better to have it at room temperature or slightly warm to support your digestive system. Leaving lemon seeds in your water is another common mistake. Seeds can make your drink bitter and contain trace amounts of cyanide. Always remove the seeds before squeezing the lemon. Finally, improper storage of lemons can affect their freshness and nutrient content. Keep your lemons in the refrigerator to extend their shelf life and ensure you're getting the most out of your lemon water. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can fully enjoy the health benefits of lemon water without any of the downsides. Remember, it's all about balance and proper habits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. See you in the next video.